I mean, we're looking the same on here. Like, so it looks like the packaging looks like the model.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tells me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you're going through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. Down with you. It's true. I wanna be down.
So this is the Sensational Curls Kinks and Cold Angel Face wig. A lot of cons, but a lot of pros also. But a lot of, not a lot, but it's some cons. It's annoying me right now. I mean, we're looking the same on here. Like, so it looks like the packaging looks like the model. But the shedding, guys, I don't know. Just too much hair for my liking. And I know wigs shed, especially synthetic wigs, but like, this is too much. But I will say, other than the shading and other than this stupid little extra piece of lace that makes it look clearly like a wig, like on this side of the screen, I'm gonna put like a clip of when I first put it on, first cut the wig, and you can see how different shade of lace that is compared to the other lace and how it looks really weird. But from afar, you know what I mean, it seems okay, but like, no one should be up in your scalp like that. This wig is nice. Like the texture, this feels basically like if we, women of color, were to wash blow dry and then hot comb or flat iron our hair. This is what this feels like. Does it say what kind of texture this is? It's yaki, but it really feels like our hair if we were to blow it out. Oh, actually that's what it says. It actually says that it's designed to mimic natural hair blowouts and roller sets. They are full-bodied, lightweight, and textured just right. Bye-bye heat damage. That's what I'm saying. So I throw a wig on, I'm not gonna keep putting heat in my hair. Duh.